Good morning traders. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will discuss the pre-market prediction for Nifty, including global cues, SGXGIFT signals, support or resistance levels, and the expected trend for today's session. If you're new here, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for daily Nifty analysis. Let's begin. Global market overview. Before we look at Nifty, let's quickly check global cues which are signaling today's sentiment. US markets, US 30. जोड़ 0.18%, flat to positive. This shows stability and mild bullish momentum. No negative pressure coming from the US side. Asian markets, minus 0.11%, flat negative. Slight weakness in Asia but not strong enough to impact Indian markets significantly. European markets, जोड़ 0.28%, flat positive. Europe is stable, giving supportive sentiment to our opening. USD INR, जोड़ 0.23%, flat positive. Rupee slightly weaker, but nothing alarming. FIIs are unlikely to get impacted. Crude oil, minus 0.70%, negative. Falling crude is very positive for Indian markets, reduces inflation worries. Overall global mood, mildly positive, no heavy volatility cues, stable market conditions with bullish bias. Nifty pre-opening expectation based on global cues, Nifty is expected to open flat positive to positive, no signs of weakness. Market may show strength after the first 10 to 15 minutes. Possible opening range, slightly above previous close, or small positive gap up. Key Nifty support or resistance levels. From your uploaded chart, here are the levels for today. Resistance levels. R1:26, 288. R2:26, 346. R3, 26,404. R4:26, 462. R5:26, 520. R6:26, 578. Bullish trigger zone above 26,288. Momentum increases above 26,346. Trending upside possible above 26,404 support levels. S1, 26,108. S2, 26,018. S3:25, 928. S4:25, 843. S5:25, 763. S6:25, 673. Strong support zone around 26,108, 26,018. Only below 26,018 the market becomes weak. Today's market behavior prediction scenario 1, positive opening. If Nifty opens with a small positive gap, watch for breakout above 26,288, R1. Above this zone, momentum buying can pick up. Targets, 26,346, 26,404. Scenario 2, sideways opening. If Nifty opens near previous close, expect consolidation between 26,150, 26,250. Trending move may come after 10 am. Scenario 3, unexpected weak opening. If Nifty unexpectedly opens negative, first support at 26,108. Strong buying expected near 26,018. But today's global cues do not indicate strong selling, so downside is limited. Intraday trading plan, bullish plan, most relevant today. Buy CE only when candle closes above 26,288 or breakout above 26,346. Targets, next resistance, SL, previous 5-min swing low. Bearish plan, lower probability today. Buy pay only below 26,108 or strong breakdown below 26,018. Target, next support SL, previous swing high. Important. Avoid taking reversal trades in the noise region, 26,150 minus 26,250. Final direction for today. Based on the global cues and levels, Nifty direction today, flat positive to positive. Bias remains bullish. Supports are strong. Crude weakness is positive. US or Europe are stable. Asian weakness is mild. Above 26,288, bulls may fully take control.